In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D area chart in Excel. A 3D area chart is perfect for showing how several data series build on each other across time or categories, while adding a bit of visual depth that makes patterns easy to spot at a glance. We'll start by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to select a clean, contiguous range of cells. Make sure your selection includes clear headers in the top row, such as the category name in the first column and the series names across the top. If your data tracks something over time, place the dates or periods in the leftmost column, with each series to the right. Avoid blank rows or columns in the middle of your selection because they can confuse the chart engine. If you have totals in the range, leave them out for now so the chart focuses on the underlying series rather than a sum. With the data highlighted, go to the Excel ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where all chart types live. If your screen is narrow, some buttons may be grouped, but you're looking for the Chart section in the middle of the ribbon. Pausing for a second here helps you confirm that Excel has recognized your selected range. You should see the selection still active behind the ribbon. Next, click the Line Chart button. In many versions of Excel, this button opens a combined menu labeled Line or Area Chart. The icon typically shows a small zigzag line, and when you open it, you'll see both line and area chart options. Even though we're making an area chart, this is the place to access it. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu to reveal all chart types within that group. From the menu, choose 3D Area. Excel will instantly insert a chart on your sheet using the highlighted data. You'll see layers of color filling the space under each series, with depth that helps separate overlapping areas. Take a moment to read it. Categories usually run along the horizontal axis, values up the vertical axis, and different series stack visually from front to back. If anything looks off, like series overlapping in a confusing way, double-check that your headers were included in the selection and that the order of your columns reflects the story you want to tell. For best readability, limit the number of series, ensure categories progress logically, and use distinct, high-contrast colors so each layer stands out. That's it. Your 3D area chart is ready to present your data with clarity and impact.